JC Romero, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, share ko sa inyo yung mga nabili kong items sa ukay and kung paano ko nga ba i-style itong mga to para hindi magbukang nabili lang natin sa ukay. So ayun, makapunod sa video na to yung mga outfit na magagawa natin for today. So guys, kung gusto nyo panood itong full episode ng how I styled my ukay finds, stay tuned lang kayo and enjoy watching. So guys, for our first item, itong shirt na to is nabili natin ng only 50 pesos sa Nagcarlan, Laguna. And also itong pants na to is nabili ko ng 150 something. Sa pinaka-seller na kaya medyo pricey, 50 plus 150, the total of 200 pesos. So ito yung first outfit natin. Kung mapapansin nyo, parang all green lang siya. Yan. Yung shoes from Fila sa isang bucket hat. Ayan. Yung first outfit natin. So ayun guys, i-rate nyo na lang itong outfit natin to 1 to 10 dito sa comment section natin. Pwede po kayo mag-comment kung ano yung masasabi nyong rate dito sa first outfit natin. Ito nga pala yung second outfit natin na nabili natin for only 50 pesos lang itong long sleeve. Then also itong t-shirts nabili ko ng 150 or 180 ata sa seller dito sa Maheka, medyo pricey. And also itong pants nabili natin ng only 100 pesos ata sa Lukban, Quezon. So ayun, papataw sa video na ito magiging behind the scene and also yung mga shot using this second outfit natin. Pala yung pang third outfit natin na nabili natin sa ukay-ukay. So ito yung sleeve na nabili ko na for only 50 pesos lang din sa Nagcarlan, Laguna. And also the shirts nabili ko na 50 pesos din sa Nagcarlan. Tapos partner lang natin siya sa pants na kulay black na para siyang nabili ko to ng 100 something sa Lukban. Then also yung Converse na natin Converse partner natin kasi parang mukha siyang pang streetwear. So abangan nyo sa video na to yung magiging shot nitong full outfit natin for today. So let's start!
Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Yeah, we'll be counting stars. I see this life like a swinging vine, swing my heart across the line. In my face is flashing signs, seek it out and ye shall find. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that bold. And I don't think the world is sold, I'm just doing what we're told. I feel something so right, doing the wrong thing. And I feel something so wrong, doing the right thing. I couldn't lie, couldn't lie, couldn't lie. Everything that kills me makes me feel alive. I've been living free.
dito na itong video na to. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga nanood. Sana gusto nyo itong Hawaii style may ukay-ukay outfit. Sana yung mga nakuha kayong idea para at least hindi naman mukhang ordinary lang yung mga damit na nabili natin from ukay-ukay. So kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please like this video. And also kung bago ka lang dito sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Abang-abang lang sa mga susunod ko pang vlog dito lang sa YouTube channel ko. O nga po pala, for more booking and inquiries, pwede nyo ako message sa Facebook page ko na JC Creative Studios. Again, this is JC Romero and see you on my next vlog. Bye!
I feel your love and I feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope is our four-letter word. Make that money, watch it burn. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that old. I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what